I'm Shayla Millman,
I'm an editor.
and this is why I create. I think I really started creating in high school. I started doing theater, which was a really fun, formative experience for me to just get out of my shell more. But my favorite part of creating in high school was digital media classes. I took video editing and graphic design, and it was those classes that I just really enjoyed as opposed to all my math and science classes. It was just really nice to get that spark of what I wanted to do. I would say the main way that I create is through film. I really like post-production. My favorite part about it is taking what either I've made or what other people have made and kind of turning it into this beautiful thing, because before you put it all together in the edit, you just have bits and pieces of a film, but it comes together in the edit. When your message is kind of the entire premise of what you make, it's not going to be as impactful to people, and they're not going to have to think about it. It's just going to be them being told what to think, as opposed to them really wanting to think about what they know and what they understand, and trying to develop their own opinions and their own feelings toward what you make. It's really easy to make films for Christians, but it's a lot harder to make films with Christian messages that people who aren't Christians will understand and will appreciate. I try to, in my own art, not just make Christian films, but make films with Christian undertones. And I think that's what's really important. The reason I kind of like to combine religion and comedy is because I really like to put these really grave things into terms that I can understand better. Art requires more than one person. You have the artist who creates it and all the people and experiences that have shaped them, and then you have the people who view the art. And that's really important too, because art isn't worth that much if it's not impacting people. I'm Shayla Millman, and this is why I create.
My name is Joshua David. I'm a writer, and this is why I create. When I was really young, I remember doing English classes and writing classes with my older sister, and she absolutely hated it.